Hey everyone, welcome back to LearnWeb Academy. If you want to design a professional WordPress website quickly, using ready-made Elementor templates is one of the best ways to do it. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to import Elementor templates from Envato elements step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to import and use beautiful pre-designed templates on your WordPress website with a few clicks. Also, I'll be giving you 1000 Elementor templates bundle for free. Watch the video till the end to know more about it. So, let's get started. Envato Elements is a platform that provides thousands of ready-made templates including Elementor templates, website kits, graphics, videos, fonts, and many more. You can use these templates to save time and build professional websites faster. Before importing Elementor template kits, you need to install a few plugins. Go to your WordPress dashboard, plugins, and then click on Add plugin. You have to install Elementor. I have already installed, so it is showing as active. And then you have Envato Elements plugin. We have to install this template kit import. Now let's click on activate. Now our plugin has been activated. Now let's go to Envato Elements website. This is the Elementor Pro template kit that we have. This is the Pro template, so it is also showing that this needs a Elementor Pro. If you see, I already have Elementor Pro on my website. So this is an original Elementor Pro license. If you also need Elementor Pro, you can contact us. You will find the details in the description below. Please check that. So it's time to download this. This is the template that you can see the preview from here, live preview. And I have already downloaded this from this website. So now it's just time to install this. Just click on template kit. And we have to upload this zip file. This is the zip file. Sorry, I think I need to use the extracted version. So it is asking for two requirements. So let's install the requirements. These are the settings of Elementor. So let's just install these and close. Okay, so we have access to all the pages, all the styles, all the template kits that this template has. So for now, let's go to installing this home page. Let's click on import template. This will take some time and it will import. Let's click on view template. So before this, we also have to import the styles. And let's also import header and the footer. Let's reload this. We have not set the header and footer, so let's just go to Elementor and then theme builder, then header, and let's click on edit condition, entire site, click on save. Now let's see if it is working. Okay. Let's click on dashboard, the pages. Okay, and then add a page, name this as home, and click on publish. And then we have to click on edit with Elementor, and we can import it from here. We can insert the template. Alright, so it is imported. Now let's click on preview. Now as you can see, we have successfully imported the Elementor template kit on our website. Now you can edit it using the Elementor edit with Elementor button. You can also edit the header, the footer, and everything using this. Now if you want to import more Elementor templates, you can just create more pages and just import them. Okay, so this is how you can do it. And I also have a surprise gift for you. You will get 1000 plus Elementor template kits from us. Just use the link below to access it for free. Also, if you need Elementor Pro on your WordPress website, you can just contact us. We will activate the original version on your website at the cheapest price. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to LearnWeb Academy for more WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.